Interview Coder just leaked their users' full names, compensation details, location, and where they got offers from. And they didn't do this in some random dark web data breach. They literally posted it themselves on the home page of their website. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so Interview Coder is kind of this famous, AI cheating platform where you can cheat in technical interviews. It's supposed to be able to answer the questions for you. It's ran by this guy right here, Roy Lee, who's just now hidden by the UI. And anyways, they've bragged about making, millions of dollars. And the other day they made this tweet saying, hey, today we shipped, an offer gallery, real offers, real users. Yeah, definitely real users, as you're going to see. Let's go to Amazon. Let's see this guy, 182K per year. Definitely want to stay anonymous, right? Especially if you're using an AI cheating tool. You probably don't want your name released on the internet when you literally cheated unethically in the interview. Let's see what happens if I just copy a portion of the offer, go here, and paste it. Would you look at that? I get this guy's full name, the location of the office, the company, all of the details. I'm not doing some crazy computer science work here. I'm simply using a few of the features on my keyboard and I'm copying and pasting. Now, it doesn't always work. It's very finicky. So sometimes I'm able to copy it. Sometimes I'm not. Some of the thing is still redacted. Some of it's not. But point is, I just showed you that it worked with that one. I'm trying to get some other portions. And there you go. Look, I get all of the other details, again, after a few trials and errors. Now, this isn't just one offer letter. I didn't just cherry pick this. Let's go to another one. Let's go to Microsoft. Let's try to copy this. Sorry, not Microsoft, Apple. Let's paste this down here. Okay, so that's the same one as before, so that didn't work. And I'll just try it a few times and kind of fast forward through it. But point is, I'm not I'm not just cherry picking these. You guys can go to the website right now and try it. And it just takes a few times and you got to kind of try to copy like different portions of the PDF. But eventually you'll get the details and you'll be able to see like all of it. So let's copy this. And there you go. Look, restricted stock units, 350,000 US dollars in restricted stock units. And if I want to see who this guy is, same thing. I just got to like kind of experiment a little bit, copy it a few times and paste it here. And there we go. Mr. David, I won't put his last name. You have received this offer as senior software engineer for Apple with the start date of this date, etc. Now, there's actually a video on YouTube that shows all of the unredacted information if you want, so I'll link it in the description. I'm going to blur these people's full names because I don't want to expose them, but imagine, right? You came to this tool, you trusted it, you paid the astronomical price of, what is it, either $1,600 or $799, and then you got an offer, you thought you were in the clear, and then all of a sudden, the CEO of the company posts your information publicly without even checking if it's properly redacted on the home page of their website. So now, if you receive one of these offers and one of these companies sees this video, which is very likely, and they don't remove this fast enough, you're going to get blacklisted. You're no longer going to be able to interview for tech jobs. And you can have a story just like Mr. Roy Lee here, where you can brag about, oh, not making $3 million in annual revenue, but getting kicked out of school for using an AI cheating assistant, getting your offer letters redacted, being blacklisted by big tech companies. This is insanity to me. And what's funny is this isn't the first time that a platform like this has done this. Interview Coder themselves, courtesy of Mr. Roy Lee, leaked their API keys back in 2025 to a public GitHub repo. Yes, a public GitHub repo. They put their API keys. They have all kinds of security issues. And it's hilarious because they advertise on the website, completely anonymous, invisible to doc. No one will know who you are, undetectable, right? And that's the key selling point of these tools, is that people don't know you're using them, because if they did, that would be very, 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 very bad for you. So look, guys, this is a warning, okay? Don't use tools like this. Don't trust, I'm an online influencer, but don't trust online influencers with your personal data when it comes to something like, using an AI cheating tool. If you want to get a big tech job, there's a predictable way to do that. It requires hard work. You do need to do it ethically. You can run through DSA problems. You can do mock interviews. You can take guidance from people who have actually done it before and pass interviews in a legitimate way. I myself have passed technical interviews without cheating at Microsoft and Shopify, and I run a program right now where I work with hundreds of developers to help them actually put in the work and pass the interviews. If you want to do this ethically, if you're serious about actually getting into this career and you don't want to be potentially blacklisted from some of the top companies in the world, first of all, Do the prep yourself. And if you want guidance, consider applying to my program. I'll leave the link below. Look, the overall message here is that you guys cannot trust platforms like this. And it's crazy. Trusted by 97,000 devs. Like, I just can't. The irony is so crazy when I look at this. And it's honestly not even surprising that they would do something. But it's just the fact that, like, they didn't even check. And it's literally on the home page of their website. And it's as easy as me literally just going in here and copying in something. And I can't even imagine if I actually went through this website for an hour or two, looked into the logs, looked at the network tab, and see, like, what else can I pick apart from here? You know, if they have this, what other security vulnerabilities do they have? Anyways, guys, that's all that I have for you. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.